What's up, YouTube? Moto Mike 805 here, and today is, I forgot what today is. It's Sunday, I know that. It's Sunday, December, I think December 14th. I could be wrong, I don't know. Yes, I think yes, December the 14th, Sunday. And I forgot what time it is. Oh well, who cares what time it is? But before we get going with that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that thumbs up, comment, and share. And we'll get going right after this. Today's video, I always say it's going to be a short one, and it ends up being like 15 minutes long. So I'm not going to say it's going to be a short one. That's what the plan is, but it never works. So what I am doing today is this is a test, but I will post it just to see what the quality looks like. I got a new computer! Yay! I ended up buying a MSI gaming computer. When I used to be in the computer business, MSI always made quality stuff, so I figured, hey, one of their completed computers should be good. So I ended up getting one of those. Has a nice fast gaming processor, nice video card with 8 gigabytes RAM on it. Came with 16 gigabytes of RAM, but I added 32 more gigabytes, so it's got 48 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a 1 terabyte solid state hard drive, and then a 2 terabyte regular hard drive for storage. So I got that, and I did not a practice video. Last Wednesday's video was the first video I did on the new hard drive, on the new computer, but that video was done on my cell phone. And the cell phone resolution isn't, not 4K like the GoPro. My old computer had no problems processing my cell phone video when I would use that. So this will be the first video I post in 4K. So I've got this camera set to 4K, this one on my helmet set to 4K. So we'll see what it looks like. 60 frames per second. I think that was the main settings. Widescreen. I think that's all the. Oh, look at the Longhorns. I think that was all the kind of the specs I changed on the camera. Now I think I told you before, whenever I would try 4K, it would literally say like, oh, rendering is gonna take 5 days, and then like in 2 days, the computer would lock up. And that's what happened. So I've never posted a video at 4K. And even the regular videos I post, they typically take about a day to render on the old computer. My cell phone videos, they would usually take about 4 or 5 hours to render like a 15-minute video. The video I made last week, I think it was like 13 minutes, 15 minutes. On the cell phone, it took like 3 minutes to render that video. I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. I could actually just go walk in and make another cup of coffee, and the video is done rendering. Also, on the old computer, the preview, when I would try to edit videos, the preview was extremely choppy. I had to pause it, and then it would like catch up to where it was at, and then I could unpause it, and it was extremely hard to edit. Now, like I said, cell phone footage didn't really do that, so we'll see today when I get back and download this footage how the preview looks. I'm hoping it's gonna look good. Anyways, I always say anyways. It's kind of annoying, ain't it? So we're gonna go back, download this footage, and make a video and see how it looks. I'd say I haven't done much playing with it. Most of the day yesterday was spent backing up just some files I needed off the old computer and then putting them on the new one, and then hooking it up, and then of course downloading all the software, trying to remember all my all my passwords. I thought I had them written all down, but a couple of them I must have changed them, so then had to reset them, and that was you know, that's always fun. So I got everything installed, I think. There are a couple, I have this one camera, it's like 15 years old, but it was a like $3,000 HD digital camera back in the day. It's a one I've used before, but the problem is the format that the video records in, the software that came with it, which won't install on Windows 11, gives me some error message, I can't remember. And looking at message boards, they're like, yeah, the software doesn't work on new Windows PCs. Well, it's 15 years old. They're not gonna release any updates to make it work. But I did find that VLAN, the video player, it actually will convert it to MP4. But something happened on my old computer and it stopped working and I couldn't get it fixed. So I'm gonna test that out too on this. See if I can use video from that. The video from that old 15-year-old camera is actually pretty good quality, and it's just nice because I can plug that one in and put it on my tripod. I mean, I can do the same with the cell phone, but for some reason I like using that. It's got a remote and I can turn the screen around to see what I look like, which I guess you can do that on a cell phone too. So we'll go back, see what how editing this goes. And I'm predicting it's going to be much easier. And video, oh, I know, I was trying to think of something else I was going to say. I know that people say that, you know, like when you upload your video to YouTube, it changes the quality and reduces it anyways. I don't know if that's true. I know, like, you'll upload a video and it's done and then it says HD processing. But I have noticed, I usually watch YouTube on my big screen TV. And I've noticed that the videos that I do in 2.7K don't look the best on, you know, like a big old 60-something inch TV, my videos. But I do notice other channels' videos look crystal clear. So it'll be interesting to see if when I do one of these 4K videos and upload it to YouTube, and after they do their processing or whatever on the video, how good the video looks. So I'm hoping that they're going to start looking a lot cleaner. Probably most of you watch on your phone, so the quality on the TV, or you know, watching it a bigger picture, you probably don't notice on your phone, but definitely watching it on the TV, I can see the difference in the quality. All right, well, that is all for today. We're going to cut this off now. I'm going to go get this downloaded, start editing, and then this is the video you all are gonna see. So let me know what you think about the quality, if you notice any difference between this video and my old videos. If you do watch on a TV, like a smart TV or a Roku device, let me know what you think between the quality on there versus old videos too, with a larger picture. I'm hoping it looks better. And also, oh, another thing I was thinking about doing, I've seen some of my YouTube buddies out there using the media mod to hook their mic up, and I was thinking about trying that. I still got that audio popping. It seems to be when I hit a certain speed or it's real windy. I think it's the GoPro though, because I've already replaced the GoPro adapter and a new mic, and I still get the popping. And looking on some forums, it looks like it's just the connector and these things on the actual GoPro can start to have some issues, and so I don't know if the media mod would actually fix my popping. The only other thing I can think of what I might do is get a different device for recording audio and then just add it to the video. Something that's a standalone maybe unit that goes on my helmet. If any of you use something that's not your GoPro to record audio, not a Cena or like a communication device, but if any of you use something that just goes in the helmet just to record your audio, let me know, down in the comments below what it is, what it's called. And I might check something like that. Especially I got the new computer now, I'm making the editing easier. I can just stick an audio file there and sync it up with my video that I take from the GoPro. Alright, well that's it. I promise. That's it this time. So before we get out of here, remember, hit that subscribe button. There's probably a little picture floating across the screen. Hit that, well, you actually can't hit the little floating picture, but you can go on the down below and hit the subscribe button. But if it's already subscribed, don't hit it because then you'll unsubscribe. So only hit it if it's red, and then you'll be subscribed and it will turn gray. And then hit that thumbs up, like the video, comment, and share. And remember, YouTube, ride like everyone's a hired assassin trying to kill you. Stay safe out there, YouTube. Peace.